These efforts by Chifubu traders to quench the fire that gutted their merchandise was a non-starter. The fire that started around 22 hours swept through the market and destroyed goods that have been reduced to ashes. Most of the marketeers affected are those that deal in charcoal.
Yes. Watamba kwikata kuloko wachikosera batukonze oku na tubuloka tawishire ko muri era tulala omba kubuteko afabricate palo walebo.
The cause of this fire is not yet established, but some traders here have got a faint idea.
We have a fire that started around 22 somewhere there. We are suspecting that some traders would have left a fire burning within one of the stands. It's rather unfortunate that we tried to get in touch with fire brigade, of which they are unable to help us due to the fire tenders being down.
And Copperbelt Acting Police Commissioner Joyce Kasosa has stated that police are currently investigating what caused the inferno.
Yes, we have received a report of a fire incident at Chifubu Market, which happened last night. But officers are right now on the scene. I'm still awaiting for details as to what happened and what damages to property the fire has caused.
All these merchandise that have been burnt are what helped these marketeers earn a living. Anton Chomba, Muvi TV News in Ndola.